Hello, this is ATL Stackz, and I'm going to show you how I made a Sonny Digital type beat. XXL. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's mainly the beat right there. So yeah, let me break it down to you like what I did. So first off, I started off with a snare. I gave it a basic snare pattern, which is hit on like the second beat. And then before it gets to the second measure right here, I put in a beat 2 steps or 2 little bars behind that. So it creates a rhythm like this. Dun, 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 ay. Dun, 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 dun. So I started off like that, and then once I had that, I copy and pasted it a few times, and then I messed around with it until it made a fancy little snare sound. Yeah, 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 yeah. Well, hold on. Yeah, hey. And then once I got that, I put in some kicks. Dun, 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 dun. Just makes you feel like you're in a club. Then I put in some hi-hats. So first I start off with like this basic sound. All you do is just put it in for every like 2 notes, I believe. 1, 2, yeah, it's like that. So I did like that little basic thing. Then I kept copying and pasting it, and then like I put in a few snare rolls so it wouldn't be too repetitive and boring. Yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah. And then I got the 808s. What I did for the 808s is I basically just went to the kicks, copied it, and then I pasted it. And then turned like those mini notes into like actual notes. And then I made the 808 fancy because I didn't want a boring 808. Oh yeah, and the way I made that note slide was I went to this envelope tool, double click that, oops, and it allowed me to make the note slide. Then I put in like a little jump note to keep it interesting. And I put like a basic clap, basic triangles. Then I had like this little piano sound, like a real toy piano. And then I made it as like with the most basic melody and rhythm as possible. Boom, 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 then once I had all that, this is like the signature thing. It's like that synthesizer that you hear in like those really, really trappy beats. And I just placed that in there. It just gives you like that down south vibe. Like that Sonny Digital type vibe. And then I placed in some like chants. Like a whisper chant. Then like an O chant. Just to spice it up. So yeah, that's really how I made a Sonny Digital type beat. Yep.